Title: Rising to Greatness. Lessons from Cristiano Ronaldo and MS Dhoni. Good morning everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about two legends who have inspired millions across the globe, Cristiano Ronaldo and MS Dhoni. One is a football superstar from Portugal. The other is a cricket icon from India. They come from different sports, different countries, and different lives, but both of them show us what it truly means to be great, not just in sports, but in life. Let's begin with Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in a poor neighborhood on the island of Madeira, Portugal. His father was a kit man at a local football club and his mother worked as a cook and cleaner. Life was hard. There was no luxury, and sometimes, not even enough food. But even as a child, Ronaldo had one thing, a dream. He wanted to become the best football player in the world. From a very young age, he practiced harder than anyone else. While other kids were sleeping or playing video games, Ronaldo was running, training, and kicking a ball against a wall until it was dark. He left home at just 12 years old to join a football academy in Lisbon. He cried every night because he missed his family. But he didn't give up. Today, Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the greatest footballers of all time. He has won multiple Ballon d'Ors, UEFA Champions League titles, and has broken countless records. But what's most inspiring is not just his success, it's his attitude. Ronaldo says, "Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable." This shows us that even when people doubt you, criticize you, or try to bring you down, you can use that as fuel to work harder and achieve your goals. Now let's talk about MS Dhoni, the former captain of the Indian cricket team. MS Dhoni came from a small town called Ranchi in India. He wasn't born with fame or privilege. In fact, his father worked in a factory. As a child, Dhoni played football and badminton, but later discovered his love for cricket. His journey was not easy. He worked as a ticket collector at a railway station in Kharagpur. He did night shifts, and in the daytime, he practiced cricket. Just imagine that, working all night, then playing all day. It takes a lot of dedication and belief in oneself to do that. But Dhoni never complained. He believed in hard work, and more importantly, he stayed calm through every challenge. We all remember the 2011 World Cup final. India needed a strong finish. Dhoni, the captain, walked in and played one of the most memorable innings in cricket history, ending with that famous six. India won the World Cup after 28 years. But what made Dhoni special wasn't just that shot. It was his leadership. He never showed pressure on his face. Win or lose, he stayed calm and focused. One of Dhoni's most famous quotes is, "Process is more important than results." This means if you focus on doing your work properly, the results will come. Don't chase success, chase excellence. So, what can we learn from Ronaldo and Dhoni? Hard work. Both of them worked harder than anyone else. Talent is important, but without hard work, talent is wasted. If you want to achieve something great, you have to be ready to put in the effort every single day. Discipline. Ronaldo is known for his strict routine, his diet, his sleep, his fitness. Dhoni is known for his calm and focused mindset. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievements. Never give up. Both Ronaldo and Dhoni had humble beginnings. People told them they couldn't do it. But they believed in themselves. They never gave up, no matter how hard it got. Use criticism as motivation. Ronaldo was often criticized early in his career for being too flashy. Dhoni was doubted when he was made captain. But instead of getting discouraged, they used the criticism to improve themselves. Stay humble. Even after becoming legends, both of them show humility. They respect others, they focus on the team. And they never act like they are above anyone else. Leadership. Dhoni showed what it means to be a great leader, to stay calm, take responsibility, and give credit to the team. Ronaldo, too, inspires his teammates by example, by being the first to train and the last to leave. Mental strength. There will always be ups and downs in life. Dhoni teaches us to stay calm in tough times. Ronaldo teaches us to stay strong and never lose focus on our goals. In conclusion, Ronaldo and Dhoni are not just sports stars, they are life teachers. You don't need to be a footballer or a cricketer to follow their path. Whether you want to be a doctor, engineer, artist, or anything else, the same lessons apply. Believe in your dreams. Work hard every day. Stay disciplined. Learn from your failures. And never stop improving. One day, people will look at you and say, "You inspire me." Thank you.